Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about infrared burner for Imperial part #1039. An infrared burner is a type of gas burner used in commercial and residential cooking applications. Imperial part #1039 is an infrared burner designed for use with Imperial range models IR4, IR6, and IR8. This burner features a high-efficiency design that produces intense heat to quickly cook food. The burner has a ceramic tile surface that radiates heat evenly across the cooking surface, allowing for even cooking temperatures. The burner also features an adjustable air shutter that allows you to control the amount of air entering the burner, which helps. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Imperial part #1039 infrared burner is designed to replace the existing burner in an Imperial range or oven. It is used to provide even heat distribution and prevent hot spots in the oven. It can also help reduce preheat times and improve baking results. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the old burner by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Place the new burner in position and secure it with the screws provided. 4. Connect the gas line to the burner and tighten all connections with a wrench. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks using a soapy water solution. If there are any leaks, tighten all connections until they stop leaking. 6. Reconnect the power to the appliance and turn it on to test that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.